Great news, homeowners! McCullough can now help you get a $2,000 tax credit from Uncle Sam to replace your home's central HVAC system. That's on top of big off-season discounts and rebates on new high-efficiency Carrier systems. That could save you up to $9,700. And with special 0% financing for 10 years, it's like free money. But you gotta call McCullough Heating and Air before these great deals end. Austin's residential HVAC and rebate specialists. An authorized Carrier dealer.